Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first make sure your vehicle's on and your device is on, and then from here we can hit this phone button, and then this should just go straight to your Bluetooth options. So from here, make sure your Bluetooth's on your device, and you can usually press and hold the button as well to get to your pairing. And then from here it tells you the device that it's trying to connect to, but otherwise, yeah, we'll just look for a prompt to pop up that would make sense for your vehicle. And if that didn't work, it cancels out, and then it'll pull you into this pairing menu. So from here, there's a limited number of phones you can have stored. So you might need to delete a device first before you can add a new one. So let's say we want to delete this, so we'll delete that. Yes, so now we've freed up space, so we can add new.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the device name that matches car name on the screen.
Santa Fe Sport. This might take a few tries. Usually the first try you can get it though. So now we've got it there. And now it's going to start pairing, and it wants us to match these random numbers, which they do match. So we'll hit pair, and now it's syncing up with my phone's name here, and it says on my end that it's active. And once this is all the way done, you should be able to...
The contact download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
So as it said, you can connect your call.
Contact download has failed. Please select yes to try again. If you're still having difficulties, please visit the Hyundai Bluetooth website to confirm Bluetooth compatibility.
You can listen to music. For newer models, you can sync up your maps and things like that, especially if you got like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And make sure you've got the volume on while you're trying to do your Bluetooth, so that you can make sure that it's not just a volume issue. But that said, you should be able to, like I said, take calls, listen to music, all those sorts of things. And I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.